Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adiola and you can call me Dels. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Today is 5th of March 2023. Okay, this is a continuation of my MFF 5K account. Okay, as you have seen from last week analysis, I'm already at break even and I'm almost at 2% profit. Okay, I'm almost at 2% profit, and yeah, but unfortunately I only have 5 more days to complete this account, in which I'm going to be asking for an extension. Okay, asked for an extension of time last week when I saw that there's no way I'm going to hit the target before the time needs. So I was told that my time limit has to be about um 5 days. The maximum time limit I will be given an extension from 5 days and below. Okay, so hopefully by next week, of course this week on Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll be asking for an extension. I'll request for an extension from MFF, and hopefully they grant me the time extension. The last time I request for an extension, they gave me 30 days more. Okay, they give me another 30 days more, and I hope it's going to be like that this time around too. All right, so let's just get back down to the trade of the week. As you can see, I was in drawdown last week. Now I'm break even and I'm at almost 2% in profit. Okay, so let's just do a quick analysis of what I did. The trade that I'm looking for, the trade for this week. As you can see, euro card. This is euro card right here. Okay, this is a 4-hour time frame on euro card. I was looking to go bullish on euro card and bearish on euro card last week. When I saw this bearish engulfing candle, because this level right here that I marked right here was a very significant level, because it used to be a support right here. It tested as a support twice right here before breaking it, and now come back to test as a resistance, which eventually had a very strong move to the downside. Okay, that was about 3 weeks ago, I guess. So I was hoping that once price will come back to this resistance, previous supports now turned resistance zone, it's definitely going to um come back and hit this low right here, but unfortunately it didn't. Okay, but instead price retested this recent low, this higher low right here, then give us a bullish price action, then break through it. Once price break through it and broke above it, can the 4-hour candle close above it, then I saw that okay, I don't think this zone is going to be holding again. Okay, because now price has broken it and the 4-hour candle has closed above it. So what I was expecting now my bias towards euro card last week shifted from being bearish to bullish. So what I was expecting was price to come back to retest any of this level right here, either this level right here or this. Okay, so fortunately price retested this level, then give us a very, once I saw this price retest this level right here, I was expecting price to give us a nice bullish structure and I'll take a trade to the upside. But unfortunately the bullish engulfing candle that price gave us was really huge, so I couldn't take a trade at the close of this candle, so I had to wait. So when I saw price retested this level right here and gave us a bullish engulfing candle that closed above this level right here, I know that okay, now I think this is a very good um, confirmation, a bullish confirmation right here. The first confirmation I got was this break above this resistant level. Now come back, it came back to retest. Okay, now the second confirmation I got was this nice bullish engulfing candle right here. So when I saw this after the close of the 4 hour candle, I took a pending order on Friday, which is still holding by the way. It has price has not come to um um take my order. Okay, so I'm still going to leave it to next week. So this right here was is a pending order. Okay, price has not triggered my order yet. Okay, it's still hovering around these levels, but hopefully by next week, Monday or Tuesday, I expect price to come back and retest this fair value gap right here. Come back to take this, mitigate this fair value gap, then continue upward and hopefully hit my take profit right here. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting on EuroCard. So I'm very much bullish on EuroCard for this week. All right. So next candle USD card. Next trade pair I'm looking at is USD card. And I was thinking, since Euro card is bullish, I suppose USD card could also be bullish. But by the look of thing right here, if I see a break below this level right here, and the 4 hour candle close below this level, then hopefully, then probably I'll be looking to go bullish and bearish on USD card. And this is what I mean. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, look at the 1 hour time frame. Price has been ranging from this zone to this zone throughout last week. Came up, came down, has been ranging. So I was hoping price could probably break any of this zone, either the supply zone, yeah, or the demand zone. Okay, so price came back, retested, went back into the zone, and is still dancing around this zone right here. So I'll be looking forward to see what USD card is going to be doing, giving us next week. If there's any confirmation for next week, if price come back and break this support to the downside and the 4 hour candle close below it, then I'll be looking forward to take a sell on USD card. When I see that, I'll just simply go to the 1 hour time frame and look for a fair value gap. Either if I didn't see a fair value gap, then I'll be looking out for a bearish, you know, price action after a close below here. After a 4 hour close below here, I'll go to the 1 hour time frame to look for either um a fair value gap or a bearish candlestick to take a trade somewhere around here. Then stop loss above here. Take profits will be this next zone right here. Just for the record, get to know that price move from zone to zone. Okay, if price could break this support, okay, the next zone price will be looking forward to test is this zone right here. Okay, if price could break this support also below and close below, the next level it will be looking forward to take out is this right here. Okay, so that's it. Price move from zone to zone. So if price didn't break this support level but rather break this resistant level, then it's telling us it wants to go higher. Okay, price telling USD card is telling us it wants to go higher. So either way, I'm just going to wait and see what USD card does for the week. If it breaks below, okay, I'll be looking for a bearish price action to sell to take out this level. And if it breaks above this resistant level right here, I'm looking for a bullish price action inside this range to take out the next um, level. hopefully somewhere around here. But let's just see. I'm not so sure. I think it's going to go bearish. I think, but however it does, I'm going to let you guys know in my wrap up analysis for um for next week. Okay, so that's that for USD card. Euro USD. Now, looking at Euro USD throughout last week, I was hoping price will give us a higher price, but it didn't. Instead, came to retest this fair value gap right here. Then went back up. Then so far so good. Price has been giving us a bullish structure on Euro USD. Just as you've known, this level right here has been broken. This is the low, high, low, higher high. It gave us a low right here, a higher low. Now giving us a higher high right here. Okay. After this giving us a higher high right here, came back to retest this low right here before continuing back up. Okay, anything that is going to make me take a buy trade on Euro USD, then that means price has broken this right here, because for me Euro USD is not still clear for me whether it's going to go up, because of this level right here is not still clear for me. Okay, so if I'm just going to be waiting. If price could go up here, break this high right here, and a 4 hour candle close above it, then I'll be looking for my bias towards Euro USD will be bullish. Okay, so that's it for Euro USD. Then if I see that, I'll be waiting for a retest. Then continue, price continues upward. All right, that's for Euro USD. Aussie JPY. If you're going to be trading Aussie JPY, take note of this. Look at 1 hour time frame right here. Take note of this level right here. This is a resistance zone that has been holding for about 2 weeks now. Okay, throughout last week. Yeah, this resistance zone has been holding throughout last week. Okay, so there's a possibility that this zone will be broken this week. Okay, unfortunately, this beautiful low right here, price has broken it to the downside. But I'm thinking that this might just be a stop hunt for the buyers. Okay, this might just be a stop hunt for the buyers, because judging by this constant retest of this resistance level right here, theoretically, if a level is being retested several times, it's becoming weaker. Okay, so you guys should know about that. If either a support or a resistance level is getting tested several times, the more it becomes weaker. Okay, the more price retest that level, the weaker it becomes. So I'm just thinking this break of structure right here might just be a stop hunt, because as you can see, price gave us a bullish engulfing pattern back into the range right here. Okay, let me put a candle there for you guys to see. Yes, so you can see so far so good. Throughout last week, it has been retesting this resistance and been giving us a higher low. Retest it, give us a higher low, came back to retest it, higher low. I came back, now it broke this higher low, but unfortunately it came back into the range, and it has been dancing within the range since till the close of the market on Friday. So hopefully I'll see, if you want to take a trade on Aussie JPY, that is Australian dollar against the JPY, I'll advise you to wait for this level to break. let price gives you a lower low right here. If price could break this recent low right here and give us a lower low, then I can say, okay, you can be bearish. You can go bearish on Aussie JPY. Then you just have to wait for price to retest this level. Okay, retest this low, then take out this low right here. But if price doesn't, then hopefully it breaks this resistance right here to the upside. Then if that happens, then you just have to, it's basically the same thing. If price breaks the upside, wait for a retest back, then take a trade to the upside. Or if price break this low right here, wait for a retest back up, then take a trade to the downside. That's just it. Simple as that. Okay. So I'm just going to be leaving my level right here and see what price does on Aussie JPY. Okay. The next pair you're going to be looking at is pound JPY. I don't really see anything much on pound JPY because though on the 4 hour time frame that's been giving us a bullish pattern, okay, higher highs and higher lows on the 4 hour time frame, as you can see right here, high, low, give us a high and higher low, a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now price has been dancing within this range for about 3 days. Okay, so if you want to take a trade on pound JPY, basically the same thing. This is a recent high right here. Okay, you just have to wait for price to break this resistance level to the upside, come back to retest it. Okay, and take a trade to the upside. Probably take your take profit right here, stop loss down here below. Okay, so for me, pound JPY is bullish. All right, just wait for price to break this level right here to the upside, retest it, then continue going up. All right, that is for pound JPY. Then Aussie USD. Okay, Australian dollar against. I don't see nothing much on Aussie USD, so I'm not just gonna go there. Euro pound. Hmm. Last week I saw this euro pound right here, giving us a lower high and lower low. I wanted to take a trade on this because previously throughout last week I was expecting a higher price on euro pound. Since price didn't give me a higher price, then I just put it aside. I didn't go back to it again. But looking at the move the price gave from here to the upside, that gives us a very nice bearish structure. A high right here, low, a lower high, lower low, a lower high right here, a lower high right here, lower low. Hopefully this is just a stop hunt, which gives us a lower high. Now price is coming down, back down again to retest this level right here. I could have taken a trade from this level right here last week, but I just didn't want to risk it. I didn't want to risk it because my mind was not settled on euro pound throughout last week, so I left it out. Gold. Gold has been giving us a lower prices last week. All right, and lower price last. As you can see, it has broken this level right here to the upside. Okay, So if we're going to be taking any trade on gold, we should be looking at higher prices. Now that gold has broken this level right here, I think I'll include gold into my watch list for next week. Okay, I'll include gold into my watch list for next week. So price has broken this level to the upside. Just simply wait for a retest of this level, then take a trade to the upside again. Okay, so there's really nothing much to analyze in the market these days. Okay, so that's basically most of the trade that I'm looking forward to trade for next week. Though I'm not going to be taking every single trade that comes away. I'm just going to be picking the best setup, okay, that I have among all these trades, and I'm going to be running with it. Okay, I'm not looking forward to trade all the pairs in the market. I'm just looking for 8%, profit on this account for me to pass this phase. That's all I need. Okay, so if one single pair can give me that 8%, then why should I bother myself trading too many pairs? Okay, so I'm just going through all those pairs to see all the options we have and pick the best setup. Okay, I think for me, Eurocard is one of the best setup I've seen so far. All right, and besides, I have a pending order on Eurocard already, so Eurocard is definitely on my watch list. So hopefully price triggers my order in and go in my favor. USD card is also in my watch list, one of the best setup I've seen so far. If price gives me what I'm looking for, I'm definitely going to be taking a trade on USD card. All right, Euro USD. I'm not still sure about Euro USD, but if price could just break this level right here to the upside, then hopefully I'll start considering going bullish on Euro USD. So, okay, so I think that's all for now. Nothing really much happening in the market, technically speaking. Okay, maybe later in my videos in the future, I'll start including fundamental news, okay, in my analysis. But for now, it's strictly technicals. All right, it's strictly technicals for now. So probably later in the future in my trading, I'll start including fundamentals. Okay, so please guys bear with me. So that's all I have for you guys for this week. So I hope you are able to grab one or two things from my analysis for this week and to also help you in your trading journey. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, I'm almost 2% above my um, starting capital, and I know they're going to give me an extension because I've been following proper risk management on this account. I never over leverage, I never over trade. I've been following proper risk management, so I'm very certain they're going to give me an extension, a 30 days extension, I believe. So that's it, guys. So hopefully this week and next week I'm going to achieve the 8% and move on to the next phase. So that's it, guys. So thank you for sticking to the end of this video. I know my analysis is probably not the best for now, but I promise to improve over time. Okay, so that's it. So thank you very much. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share the videos also, and click on the notification bell so you're going to get notified whenever I upload a new video. All right, so thank you very much, and bye bye.